नमस्कार साथियों, स्वागत है आपका अपने ही यूट्यूब चैनल बीरू एकेडमी पर। डियर, आज हम बात करेंगे बीएड पात्रता विवाद को लेकर के। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में 10 जनवरी को अंतिम फैसला आना है, कौन सा पक्ष जीतेगा और इसके अगेंस्ट किन किन राज्य सरकारों को सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा जो है वो नोटिस जारी की गई है, पूरी बात करेंगे। आखिर किसका पक्ष किस आधार पर जीत रहा है, क्या 10 जनवरी को ऑर्डर रिजर्व होगा 101%, इस पर भी बात करेंगे। पूरा वीडियो पर अंत तक बने रहिएगा। इसके साथ जो पिछला सुनवाई हुई थी 14 दिसंबर को, उसका भी वीडियो इसके साथ अटैच है। उस वीडियो को आप देखेंगे तो जरूर कुछ समझ पाएंगे कि आखिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट किस तरफ अपनी करवट जो है वो बैठाता नजर आ रहा है। आइए बात करते हैं पहले एक एक पॉइंट पर। आप देख पा रहे हैं, आपकी स्क्रीन पर दिखाया जा रहा है, उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार सरकार को कहीं ना कहीं जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट है उसने नोटिस जारी की है। किस संदर्भ में बता दें, जो उत्तर प्रदेश में 69,000 शिक्षक भर्ती की प्रक्रिया की गई थी, उसमें भी 28 जून 2018 के गजट के बाद ही वो भर्ती प्रक्रिया हुई है। उस संदर्भ में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार को भी नोटिस जारी की गई है और बिहार सरकार को भी नोटिस जारी की गई है। बता दें, बिहार में भी 6वें चरण की जो शिक्षक भर्तियां चल रही हैं उसमें भी बीएड पूरी तरीके से पात्र है, तो जो बिहार सरकार है उसको भी नोटिस माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा जारी की गई है। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं। आप देख पा रहे हैं, ये लगातार नोटिसें जारी हो रही हैं। यहाँ साफ साफ आप देख पा रहे हैं, ये बिहार पटना के जो है नोटिस दिखाई जा रही है आपको। तो बिहार में दो प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी हैं, डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी, एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी, सभी को इस संदर्भ में नोटिस जारी की गई है कि वो अपना पक्ष आकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट को प्रेषित करें। इसी संदर्भ में आप देख पा रहे हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश को भी ये नोटिस जारी की गई है। इसमें साफ साफ मेंशन है, सेक्रेटरी बेसिक एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट यूपी निशातगंज अदर मोहनलाल शर्मा जी के द्वारा। और बात करें तो पीएनपी को भी इसमें नोटिस जारी की गई है, एनसीटी को भी नोटिस जारी की गई है, आप देख पा रहे हैं। तो सभी पक्षों को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अब लगातार नोटिस जारी कर दी है। जैसा कि पिछली सुनवाई के बाद डेट बढ़ाई गई थी, उसका जो मामला था वो यही था कि कुछ राज्य सरकारों को नोटिस नहीं जारी की गई है। तो इन सभी राज्य सरकारों को अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नोटिस जारी करके ये जरूर कहा है कि आप इस पर अपना पक्ष रख सकते हैं। 69,000 शिक्षक भर्ती कैसे आपने किस आधार पर पूरी की थी, अगर मामला यहाँ से पलटता है, गजट रद्द होता है, तो किस स्तर से क्या कुछ होगा, इस संदर्भ में वो राज्य सरकार से जवाब दाखिल करने को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नोटिस जारी की है। इसी क्रम में पश्चिम बंगाल की राज्य सरकार ने भी नोटिस जारी की गई है, क्योंकि जो पश्चिम बंगाल की गवर्नमेंट है वो बीएड के फेवर में है और बीएड के साथ उसने जो है कहीं ना कहीं अपने एडवोकेट जो है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पश्चिम बंगाल की गवर्नमेंट ने उतार दिया है। हालांकि उत्तर प्रदेश हो, बिहार हो, पश्चिम बंगाल हो, ये सारे राज्य बीएड के साथ खड़े हुए हैं। लेकिन अब देखने वाली बात होगी कि जो एनसीटी का गजट है क्या वो अब बचा भी पाता है एनसीटी अपनी, क्योंकि जो सुनवाई कर रहे हैं वो आपकी स्क्रीन पर दिखाया जा रहा है। जस्टिस अनिरुद्ध बोस जी और जस्टिस सुधांशु धूलिया जी इस केस को हैंडल कर पा रहे हैं माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। और जो सुधांशु धूलिया जी हैं, इन्होंने जरूर एनसीटी को ये कहा था कि एनसीटी एक बड़ी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी है और कहीं ना कहीं जो नियम और रेगुलेशन है वो यही तय कर सकती है, ये बात इन्होंने कही थी। हालांकि एनसीटी की तरफ से बात की जाए तो तुषार मेहता सर को हायर करने की बात की जा रही है, लेकिन तुषार मेहता जी अभी भी अपनी एक भी बार जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपनी पैरवी नहीं किए हैं। बीएड की तरफ से पीएस पटवालिया लगातार जो है इस पर अपनी जो नज़र है और पकड़ है वो बनाते दिख रहे हैं, वो अपनी पक्ष जो है लगातार रख रहे हैं। एनसीटी अपने गजट को किस प्रकार से बचा पाएगी, आने वाली 10 जनवरी को कंफर्म हो पाएगा। आप देख पा रहे हैं कि जो सुधांशु धूलिया जी हैं, इन्होंने एनसीटी को अपना जो फेवर है वो रखने की बात कही थी और 10 जनवरी को आने वाली जो डेट है, इस 10 जनवरी को कंफर्म होगा कि एनसीटी की तरफ से कौन से जो वकील हैं, एडवोकेट हैं, वो अपना पक्ष रखेंगे। अगर तुषार मेहता जी आते हैं तो ये मान लीजिए कि एनसीटी को काफ़ी ज़्यादा आसानी होगी अपने पक्ष को समझाने में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, क्योंकि तुषार मेहता जी काफ़ी जाने माने बड़ी हस्ती हैं। लेकिन अगर तुषार मेहता जी नहीं आते हैं तो एनसीटी किस तरीके से अपने केस को बचा पाती है, अपने गजट को 28 जून 2018 को, ये देखने वाली बात होगी। और चर्चाएं तो यहाँ भी हैं कि डीएलएड और वीटीसी की तरफ से कपिल सिब्बल जी भी इस केस में उतर सकते हैं। हालांकि बीएड की तरफ से पीएस पटवालिया सर लगातार जो है इस मामले पर अपनी बहस है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अवगत कराते नजर आ रहे हैं। आप पूरे वीडियो को किस प्रकार से देखते हैं, इसके साथ जो वीडियो अटैच है उसको जरूर देखिएगा। वो पिछली सुनवाई के दौरान लाइव टेलीकास्ट था माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा, तो आप समझ पाएंगे कि आखिर किस तरीके से सुप्रीम कोर्ट एनसीटी और बीएड को किस तरीके से पात्र मान रहा है। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट अपडेट में, वीडियो जरूर देखकर कमेंट जरूर करिएगा। थैंक यू।
After B.Ed, you do another course.
6 months bridge course.
They are not qualified.
6 months bridge course.
Because they are not qualified.
My lords, may I just point out
It's
one
not-
thing?
It can't be like this.
My lords, I think this is.
I think.
But who is appearing for NCT?
Yes.
sorry, I just that.
You are the main.
Come here. Yes, yes. And the union is also here, Lord. Union is also agreeing.
I think
Yes.
they are the main person.
Yeah, and 3 or 4 high
You
court.
kindly, 1 minute, you kindly tell us in sequence, what were the qualifications?
My files are not there.
Is that not a Rajasthan matter?
Yes.
That
No,
Rajasthan
this is those
NCT notification matter.
matters.
Now
My lord, these are connected with item number.
Yes. No, there is SLP from West Bengal also.
The original 52 is the Rajasthan matter, man.
This is from Bengal.
50 is from Bengal.
This is for state of West Bengal.
The bridge course. This is over the bridge course.
Bridge course where the NCT notification has been struck down, where B.Ed candidates were made eligible.
and TS, whether both can be eligible.
Point is short. Point is बहुत बड़ा नहीं है.
So far, my matter is concerned, my lord, item number 56 of the supplementary list. This is supposed to be taken up with this. Now, we have come up with a lawsuit, my lord, against the refusal almost of an interim order. My lord, the Pan-India notification has been passed by the one of the Honorable High Court. My lord, that Pan-India notification is being followed by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Whether it is permissible or not. When a Pan-India notification is passed by one of the High Court, that should be followed by your lawsuit's judgment throughout all of the country. Now, here your lawsuits, I tell your lawsuit, the Pan-India notification has been passed. For the first time, B.Ed has been made qualified. Why? According to the rules, DLED, Diploma in Elementary Education is the only qualification for recruitment of primary.
Just a minute, just a minute. So be to the first notification which came in 2010.
Yes,
That's what
I
they
think if I
titled.
remember, it is 10th of August.
10th of August,
Somewhere around.
After right to
Yeah,
education.
right.
In 10 and 11 of
And in
B.Ed was
that-
made eligible, but for a limited.
Because it was a diploma in elementary education,
Please.
teachers eligibility test, these two were main.
Who are the main qualifications?
B.Ed was met.
B.Ed was only left for 5 years.
Exactly,
Yes.
up to 2012.
And all
That
the
is
people-
my-
The reason was that-
now they are saying that B.Ed is qualified.
Exactly, my lord.
That NCT is saying.
NCT is saying.
And
And that's a
And
passed by the
my
Honorable
lords-
High Court of Rajasthan.
and my lords, the manner.
1 minute.
Lord,
Who is appearing for NCT?
And who is appearing for B.Ed candidates first?
No, we are appearing. Lord.
On the other side.
Rajasthan.
No, the first blush of it.
No. Of course, my lord, I am in the Rajasthan matters. There was a long consultative process.
No,
The
no.
government of India decided that we are going to make
Minister
B.Ed
process that-
plus a small qualifying course eligible. At the end of the long consultative process, notification was issued. High Court has quashed it
No,
without.
after B.Ed, you do another course.
6 months
6
bridge
months,
course.
they are not qualified.
6 months bridge course.
Because they were not qualified.
My lords, may I just point
It's
out one
not-
thing?
It can't be like this. my lord.
My
Either
lords,
these
I
can't-
think this is.
I think.
But who is appearing for NCT?
Yes.
I'm so sorry, I just.
You are the main.
Come here. Yes. And the union is also here, my lord. Union is also agreeing.
I think
Yes.
they are the main person.
Yeah, and 3 or 4 high
You
court.
kindly, 1 minute, you kindly tell us in sequence, what were the qualifications?
My files are not there.
I have a list of dates.
That's section 23.
See, what happens is
My lords, here is
the entire focus of Right to Education Act was on quality education.
exactly.
From education, it becomes to providing service.
My lord, section 21 of the RTE Act says that you may take people
1
who
minute,
may,
let us hear
But who
NCT.
are you?
I appear for the people who've succeeded before the High Court.
B.Ed or
That is the DLED, the DLED.
DLED?
We say that
But you are in any case qualified, isn't
we
it?
are all qualified.
What should you?
But
Why
what
should
hap-
you be aggrieved if somebody else?
my
is
lords,
also
the
being-
point is
Correct.
this. The provision under the RTE Act, as my lords rightly said, is that in event you do not have enough numbers of qualified persons who have DLED, only in that circumstance, you can maybe take the B.Ed, but they will have to pass the bridge course. So till today, we don't have a bridge course. What is sought to be done by an oblique method is to make all the B.Ed eligible, also to do the primary education, but the D.Leds will never be qualified for the purpose of secondary education.
Then which act this is sought to
My
be
lords,
done?
this is not under any act because RTE Act
My
is
friend,
very.
you're all wrong.
Can I for a moment
This is
just
under
finish,
NC
Mr. Patwalia? For a moment, my lords, the Minister of Education says by a letter, and that is what the High Court has discussed in the judgment. B.Ed is a better qualified, higher qualified. So why should B.Ed not be considered also to teach the primary? Now, only thing before him was Kendriya Vidyalaya went and said, well, we do not have enough people with D.Led. There is a provision under RTE that if you do not have a sufficient number of people, you may take B.Ed, but subject to their qualifying the bridge course. State of
This is
Rajasthan,
all her
1
reading
minute,
of the judgment.
Mr. Patwalia. if
All
you-
wrong.
My lords, I can show it
Correct,
from the judgment.
Correct.
Mr.
But I am the
Patwalia may say
petitioner.
whatever is
She is the
recorded in the
respondent, she wants to
judgment.
argue first, and the
My
petitioner
lord,
is waiting to hear.
Now,
from
my lords,
somebody.
the point remains this, that state of Rajasthan, before the High Court said, we have enough number of D.Leds, far in excess of the number of vacancies. So therefore, only the D.Leds will be qualified for the purpose of the examination for teaching the primary school. That is what was before the High Court. So whether B.Ed can also become eligible to take the exam, and the High Court came to a finding.
So we'll hear it.
My
No,
lords,
my lord,
it requires
this is
hearing.
concerned, I tell your lawsuits. We questioned before the Honorable High Court the notification for recruitment issued by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. That is of dated, my lord, September 2022. Permitting B.Ed. That's our, my lord, the main contention. Once the notification is passed by the one of the Honorable High Court or one of the vital contentions, the board should not follow that notification.
Matter in
ऐसे
January.
नहीं होता.
My lords, when
This is one
district
of
in
the-
January.
Other
should
I tell you,
not
lord,
matter.
Say it should not fail.
My lord, in
That's
fact,
one of the
Lord,
We'll take it 1 minute. We'll take it in the second week of January. First
Please
week
do
would be
that. Yes, my lord.
all right.
Not my
Well,
item.
in the meantime, I tell your lawsuit, B.Ed, so far the B.Ed candidates are concerned,
In the
they
mean-
came up before your lawsuits. Your lawsuit was pleased to.
In
pass
the
any
meantime-
order in their favor.
In the meantime, you give us a table
Yes.
about each litigation.
If you permit them to be recruited, then our chunk of post, which are meant for us, under the rules of the West Bengal government, well, we will be defeated totally.
No, in the second week of
We have
January.
made it subject to the outcome of
There
the
is a
petitions. That is there. But the point remains that
Because suppose the, well, visualize one situation.
Sir,
Suppose, well, in the first week of
Take
January.
it, we'll take it in the second week of January.
Well,
My
you can
item.
stay the West Bengal hands on it.
There is a conflict of two judgments of two high courts. Rajasthan High Court takes one view, Calcutta High Court takes another view.
No, Calcutta High Court has not taken any.
Then why is it here?
manage it.
Calcutta High Court has not taken any.
One at a time.
My lord, it can't go on like this. Your lordship may list
Yes.
it on some day and let's start it in the morning
retire.
and finish it.
Systematically, my lords. We will
But
have
we-
a list of dates also given to you.
Any recruitment exercise which is go on.
Recruitment
Well,
program.
last date of submission of the application form is over. At any point of time, they can recruit.
My lord,
No, no, no.
We are
Let me
subject.
tell you, this will take another 6 months.
This
West
can
Bengal,
be a-
No, I tell you, lawsuit. I don't know, there are several orders, the system to be concluded. Because your lawsuit knows what is going on in the West Bengal state.
In the sense, no, we do not know what is going on in the West Bengal state. You may
That's
know.
the situation now, my lord. Now, if the recruitment is made today, my lord. Suppose one, my lord, B.Ed candidate.
We only,
See, it is not, it takes some time. It is not so.
But your lordship, kindly, let
second
them
week of,
recruit any candidates.
second week
My
of
item is
January.
item number 53, which has been, that is not the B.Ed DLED matter. That is absolutely different matter.
Okay, wait. List this matters on 10th January 2023.
But your lordship may say high up on the board so that they will start on that day and
Within the first 5 matters.
first month. Great.
Same.
First 5.
In case there is,
So kindly do that, your
in case there is any fresh matter which they are now placing, let the notice be issued. Otherwise, we don't have.
Copies to be served.
Because
There are judgments of the Allahabad High Court against it.
Yes,
The justice
Yes, it will be my
order.
But at least, my lord, 5 or 6 judgments, including the Delhi High Court judgment, B.Ed were not at all eligible.
No, but that, the only difference is now the body
Yes,
It's supposed
Yes,
to,
Mila.
under the Right to Education Act, it says
23.
qualifications will be the qualification which will be determined by NCT.
My lords.
Now NCT says it is qualification.
Correct,
Actually,
correct.
that's referring to different facts.
And
No.
Black color, there was no DLED candidate.
Just
and
match up
Considering
considering
I,
it has to be.
I think my friend is absolutely wrong.
My lords, that's discussed
That's
in
in
detail
Ram
in the
Charan
High
Maurya's
Court
case.
judgment.
Just 1 minute.
1 minute.
In
But
Ram
there are
Charan
many
Maurya's-
decisions in your favor.
in Ram Charan Maurya's case,
There was no
this
challenge.
honorable court has
There was
ruled
no
that
challenge to
B.Ed
the
are eligible.
notification.
So for my friend,
Okay, we'll take it on.
all right.
Well, my item is 54. It has been tagged with all these branches, but my matter is not regarding the matter controversy of B.Ed and
Okay, 1 minute. So
That is
51,
also in the
52,
field of primary.
53. This
Our
matter.
10th of January, in first
Your
five.
super 56 concerned your losses, kindly issue the notice. Like this is for the first time coming up with your losses.
53, 54.
56 of
And 56.
No,
These
54,
four are common.
Yes.
54 detect करें.
That's okay. 56.
ठीक है